customize and use power saving mode to save more battery in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery and device care. Tap battery and device care. Next, tap battery and then tap power saving. If needed, you can choose which additional option you want to enable when power saving mode is on. First, turn off always on display. You can select or enable this option so that your phone will automatically turn off always on display when power saving is on. Next, limit CPU speed to 70%. You can select or enable this option so that your phone will automatically limit CPU speed to 70% when power saving is on. Next, decrease brightness by 10%. You can select or enable this option so that your phone will automatically decrease your current brightness by 10% when power saving is on. The next one, turn off 5G. You can select or enable this option so that your phone will automatically turn off 5G when power saving is on. And the last one, limit apps and home screen. You can select or enable this option so that your phone will only allow selected apps, limit all background activity, turn off edge panel, and change to a dark theme. This option used to be called as ultra power saving in the older Samsung Galaxy phone. As the example, we will enable all options to get maximum power saving. Once you are done customizing the power saving option, you can see how long the battery can be last in the power saving battery life. However, this value will change depends on which power saving option you select. Next, you can turn on power saving through this menu by tapping the on-off switch of the power saving. Or, alternatively, you can quickly enable power saving through the quick panel. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers, and then tap power saving button to enable the power saving mode and apply its current settings. As a note, when power saving is on, background network usage, syncing and location checking will be limited, and also motion smoothness will be changed to standard. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.